Changing your profile picture on Wish is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Wish app. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account details and settings. Step 3. Access profile settings. Look for the option that says Edit Profile or Profile Settings. Tap on it to enter the section where you can modify your profile information. Step 4. Change profile picture. Find the option to change your profile picture. This may be represented by a camera icon or an upload photo button. Tap on it to select a new image from your device's gallery or take a new photo. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and tap it to update your profile. Now your profile picture on Wish is updated. Enjoy browsing and shopping with your new image.